Let's first talk about navigating the course. So this is the screen that you should see when you first log into our course. And the first thing you'll notice are the announcements. I will post announcements regularly. They could be updates about assignments, new postings, new readings that are available, anything of that nature. I will post in the announcements daily, maybe every other day. So please make sure that you do take a look at those. The course syllabus and survival guide, as well as our schedule, is found here. And I'm going to go over this in a little bit more detail in just a few minutes. And then all of the assignments will be found week by week in this menu. So the first week is located here. And for each page that has, for each week, there will be a page that will introduce you to the goals for the week, as well as all the assignments that are due that week. I try to be very open, very transparent. I don't want there to ever be any questions about due dates and things of that nature. So, for example, the goals for the week are listed here, and you can see those, and that's everything that you need to accomplish. So that's kind of like a checklist for you. And then all of the assignments are listed here. And for each assignment, I will have a due date as well as the time that it's due. And then all of the details of it are here. And I'm sure you're familiar with Blackboard, and you just submit the assignment by clicking on the link, and it will take you to the place where you can submit your assignment. You can also find your grades here as well. I do ask that you communicate with me via email. My email address is mhjohnston@ualr.edu, and I have that noted throughout the course, so it's pretty easy to find. So navigating the class is very simple. Every day, check the home page, look for announcements. Every week, there will be a new link here with courses or with assignments. Also, I typically post the assignment on a Thursday, and then you have until the following Friday to complete the assignment. And I'll talk about that more in the next video when we look at our survival guide and also the course schedule.